Hello everyone. In this video, we will delve into the diverse and wonderful world of crabs across the globe. From giant crabs in cold regions to brightly colored species living in warm waters, let's explore and learn more about these fascinating creatures through this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with others. Thank you all very much. Firstly, the Dungeness crab is one of the most popular and characteristic species of crab in the North Pacific Ocean. They are commonly found along the west coast of the United States and Canada, particularly in offshore waters of California, Oregon, and Washington states in the U.S., as well as along the coastline of British Columbia, Canada. Dungeness crabs have a hard and sturdy shell, often ranging in color from light brown to dark brown, occasionally with streaks of blue or red. They have large, broad legs and offer a plentiful, delicious, and sweet meat. Dungeness crabs prefer to inhabit areas with depths ranging from 10 to 200 meters, often roaming the seabed or hiding beneath sand to avoid predators. They are typically nocturnal and omnivorous, feeding primarily on bottom-dwelling creatures such as shrimp, clams, and marine insects highly valued for their commercial significance. Dungeness crabs are one of the prized seafood species sought after and cultivated primarily to attract interest from diners and consumers. Their meat is renowned for its naturally sweet flavor and is used in various mouth-watering seafood dishes such as steamed crabs, crab cakes, grilled crab with butter and garlic, and crab in garlic butter sauce. Dungeness crabs are not only a vital part of the seafood industry but also an icon of the West Coast regions of the United States and Canada, drawing attention from local residents and tourists alike. Next is the giant crab species, also known as the Alaskan king crab, which is one of the largest and most distinctive crab species in the world. They inhabit the cold waters of the North Pacific Ocean, particularly in the seas near Alaska and northeastern Russia. Alaskan king crabs are notably large, especially the mature individuals, which can reach weights of several kilograms and have leg spans of over a meter. They have hard and heavy shells, typically colored in bright orange, red or dark brown, with white or bluish spots, living at depths ranging from 50 to 200 meters below the sea surface. Alaskan king crabs typically move along the seabed and are omnivorous, feeding mainly on bottom-dwelling creatures such as shrimp, clams, squid, and marine insects. Hunting for Alaskan king crabs is a daring and professional activity. Crab fishermen often employ specialized ships and equipment to explore and catch crabs at great depths. The caught crabs are then brought aboard the ship and processed immediately. Alaskan king crabs have high economic value with lucrative prices on the market. Their meat is known for its naturally sweet flavor and delicious taste, making it a popular delicacy in many seafood dishes worldwide. Additionally, Alaskan king crabs are also harvested for their legs and crab fat, serving as ingredients for various seafood products and dishes. Alaskan king crabs are not only a delicious seafood but also an essential part of the seafood industry and a significant source of income for coastal communities in Alaska and northeastern Russia. Continuing with the blue crab species, also known as the Atlantic blue crab, it is one of the most common and characteristic crab species in the Atlantic Ocean, particularly in the Gulf region of the United States. The Atlantic blue crab has a hard shell ranging in color from blue to green, with occasional patches of red or orange. They have powerful legs and a triangular-shaped front shell. Atlantic blue crabs typically inhabit sandy areas and seagrass beds where they can search for food and find shelter. They are omnivorous, with their diet consisting mainly of small animals such as shrimp, clams, marine insects, and small plants. Atlantic blue crabs play an important role in both the ecosystem and the seafood industry. They are part of the marine food chain, helping to control the population of various prey species. Additionally, Atlantic blue crabs are one of the most heavily harvested crab species and have high commercial value. Their meat is widely used in cuisine, from steamed crabs to crab soup and crab cakes. Atlantic blue crabs are not only a delicious seafood but also play a crucial role in the ecological balance of the sea and contribute to the income of local communities and the seafood industry. Next, let's compare the horseshoe crab and the land crab. Starting with the horseshoe crab. This species is truly diverse and widespread across the world. Although their name often implies a habitat in marshes, they can actually thrive in various environments from saltwater to freshwater. Horseshoe crabs have brown or greenish shells with dark spots and streaks. They possess strong legs and sturdy claws, aiding in their movement and defense against predators. Their diet primarily consists of algae, marine plants, and small animals such as clams and shrimp. On the other hand, land crabs are capable of living in both freshwater and saltwater environments. They prefer to hide during the day and come out at night to search for food. With shells that resemble the color of their habitat, which is often earthy tones, land crabs exhibit fast and agile movements both on land and underwater. Their diet is diverse, ranging from plants and fruits to insects and even carcasses. Both of these crab species play crucial roles in the ecosystem, helping to control the population of other species and decompose organic matter. Culturally, they also hold significant importance in local cuisine and have high economic value. However, at times, they also become delicious and nutritious delicacies for humans. Finally, the first three crab species are sand crab is a species commonly found in sandy coastal areas of tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. They prefer habitats with flat seabeds, abundant sand, and mud. Sand crabs typically have light or orange-colored shells, helping them blend into their environment. They possess strong legs to burrow and search for food under the sand, such as clams, snails, and other small marine animals. Sand crabs are often hunted for their delicious meat and high commercial value. The Red Sea crab is a common species in the Red Sea and neighboring areas in the northeastern Arabian Peninsula and North Africa. They have bright red hard shells, often appearing powerful and authoritative. Red Sea crabs prefer living in seabed areas with coral reefs and caves, where they can search for food and find shelter. Their diet includes algae, clams, and small marine animals. Red Sea crabs are hunted not only for their delicious meat, but also for their valuable claws and crab fat. The moon crab, also known as land crab, is a species living on land in tropical and subtropical regions, often found near coastal areas, freshwater lakes, and rivers. They have shells that are usually blue or dark brown, with light spots and streaks. Moon crabs prefer to live in burrows or under moist piles of leaves. They are omnivorous, consuming both plants and small animals such as insects, earthworms, and even dead animal carcasses. Moon crabs play an important role in decomposing organic matter and are an integral part of terrestrial ecosystems in tropical regions. Together, we have explored the diverse and wonderful world of crabs in their natural habitats. However, to protect and preserve this diversity, we need to take action now. The natural habitats of crabs and other marine creatures are facing many challenges, from climate change to pollution and habitat loss. We need to collaborate to protect and sustain these environments for crabs and other marine species. Join in environmental protection activities such as beach cleanups, reducing plastic waste, and supporting conservation and habitat restoration efforts. Through small actions from each individual, we can make a big difference for the future of crabs and other marine life, as well as for our shared natural environment. Thank you all for watching the entire video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with everyone. Thank you all so much. See you in tomorrow's video.